Make a wish. Throw it hard.
Wait.
Throw it hard. Don't just drop it. Yay! Hello everyone. This is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be showing you an idea I have. Instead of rooting houseplants by cutting them and putting them in water or in soil, I'm going to air layer my houseplant, this one being a Golden Pothos. Now what I did here is just get a piece of foil and wrap it up like a cup. And what I also did is put black electrical tape on the bottom to help stop soil or water from falling through. As you can see, I just made a little cup and you can see the node right there. Normally this would root if I just put it in water, but I want to see if I can air layer a houseplant. That'll be really interesting and fun and easy. So I added my soil and I put a little bit of water in there, slowly adding it in to make sure it doesn't drip through. And we're going to see if this takes. It'll be really interesting. I want to encase it, but I just want to see if I can make it into a cup right now. And then another node, I might encase it fully with foil. Alright, we'll see how this goes, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.